In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 ways to make money online. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. People are becoming increasingly interested in finding ways to make money online. Some people are turning to side hustles in order to supplement their income, while others are starting internet enterprises that will eventually become their full-time career. Imagine being hit with an unexpected bill and not having enough money in your rainy day fund to cover it. Alternatively, you may have lost your job. If you're seeking for quick and easy ways to earn some additional money today, these simple tips for making money online can help you fill in the gaps in your financial plan. Here are 7 different ways to generate money online that may be done in a short amount of time or over a long period of time. Consider these choices as supplemental sources of income, with the majority of them having the potential to be significantly more lucrative. Number 5: Online freelancing. Working as an online freelancer is viable if you have a specific skill-based service that you can deliver from your home, such as information technology services, copy editing, or graphic design. It is possible to make the shift from being a part-time freelancer to a full-time freelancer in your area if you are successful in obtaining and accepting enough gigs. Instead, you might work part-time jobs to supplement your income while still working full-time at your principal job. Freelance opportunities can be found on freelancer-specific websites such as Freelancer and Upwork, as well as on mainstream job boards such as Indeed and Monster. If you are a freelancer in your field of expertise, you might think about joining an organization that caters specifically to other freelancers in your field. In many cases, they may allow you to post information about yourself and the specific abilities you can give online, and they may also send out email notifications or keep a jobs board with contact information for those looking for freelancing assistance. When looking for people with similar interests and skill sets to you, a social networking site such as meetup.com may be an ideal place to start your search. Not interested in putting anything, except from your time and effort, into it? Freelancing is a great way to get started earning money online right away. Many freelancers are earning more than $10,000 each month on the side. And it's an average of the best freelancers, so if you have a valuable expertise that you can charge people for, this is the opportunity for you to shine. Freelancing is one of the simplest and most reliable kind of labor you can do to earn money online. It is also one of the most lucrative. Now, the majority of you are thinking, "Hey Anuji, how are you? How can anything be both the easiest and the most difficult?" It's the quickest and most convenient because you may begin freelancing in minutes. Yes, in a matter of minutes. Simply register as a freelancer on freelancing websites. You have now established yourself as a self-employed individual. However, there are several professions in which there is less rivalry, and if you choose to work in one of those categories, your chances of success are significantly higher. Number 4: Take online surveys. In order to earn a small amount of extra money or prizes such as gift cards, participating in internet surveys is an easy way to augment your income. The activity of market research firms, MRFs, which are responsible for gathering replies, is evident in the large number of online survey sites, such as American Consumer Opinion, which is owned by Decision Analyst. Survey aggregators such as Idea Shifters and Swagbucks, which have agreements with a wide range of organizations and market research firms, are also a good source of survey opportunities. Most of the time, you shouldn't expect to earn more than $1 or $2 for each survey you complete. Furthermore, you will very definitely be needed to provide a large amount of information about yourself before you are allowed to take the first test. Stay away from firms who have a demonstrated track record of compensating respondents for survey responses and that are not scams designed to obtain your personal information when looking for survey-taking opportunities on the internet. You should also bear in mind that if your demographics do not match those required by the company, you may be disqualified to participate in certain surveys. For example, you may be too old or too young to take part in a particular activity. Number 3: Online publishing. Independent of your existing profession, self-publishing non-fiction ebooks is an excellent approach to help establish yourself as an authority in your subject while also generating supplemental revenue. Once you've finished writing and publishing your book, you won't have to do anything else to generate income from it. A novel that needs to be read, especially one that falls into a popular genre like romance, science fiction, fantasy, or mystery, can be published as an ebook and reach thousands of readers. Platforms such as Amazon.com allow you to sell ebooks. If you are successful in building a reputation as an author, You may be able to begin selling ebooks straight from your own website, so increasing your earnings. Customers buying electronic books published by themselves expect a quality experience on par with what they would get from a traditional publisher. If you don't have all of the necessary abilities to produce a polished end product, you might want to consider hiring a copy editor to polish your writing and a designer to create an eye-catching cover for your book or magazine. If you're having problems putting your thoughts into paragraphs and chapters of text, you could engage a developmental editor to assist you with the first stage of the writing process, which is the most difficult. Number 2: Start your own e-commerce website. A related option to make money online, but one that may necessitate a little more effort on your part, is through the operation of an e-commerce website. You would sell things from your website, either ones that you have created yourself or ones that are already on the market. If you opt for the latter option, drop shipping is the most frequent and least time-consuming method of fulfilling customer orders. The clients are acquired and orders are taken, but the products are stored and shipped by a third-party organization on your behalf. In the event that you create your own products, you may wish to begin by selling them on both an established platform such as Etsy as well as your own website. After establishing a loyal customer base, you may be able to eliminate the need for a middleman altogether. You can make even more money from your e-commerce website by hosting advertisements, such as those from Google AdSense. Number 1: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has the potential to be a low-cost and relatively simple method of earning money online. Affiliate marketing does not require you to have your own items or services to sell, rather, it provides you with the opportunity to earn commissions from huge corporations. When a company's products or services are marketed through the use of a website/blog or social media account, the firm's offers are linked to the website/blog or social media account. In exchange for using these affiliate tracking links, you will receive credit for any paying customers you refer to the company's website, and you will receive a percentage of any sales generated as a result of using these affiliate tracking links, as described above. It is the most challenging element of affiliate marketing to get people to visit your website or blog, or to follow you on social media platforms such as Instagram or Facebook, and then to cultivate a large number of visitors and followers, which is the most difficult part. It is necessary to generate material that is likely to attract people who are interested in purchasing the thing that you are aiming to persuade them to acquire in order for this to be accomplished. You could, for example, employ search engine optimization strategies to build and make films about consumer electronics items, including how to use them and/or which ones are the best. When it comes to making money online, affiliate marketing is by far the most straightforward technique. In exchange for promoting their products/services, you will be compensated if someone purchases their product as a consequence of your recommendation. The proportion of the product's price that was sold as a result of your recommendation will be deducted from your commission. Isn't it straightforward to comprehend? Everything they ask of you is for you to publicize their products. What is the most efficient method of getting started? Affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, for example, are the most extensively used in the world. As an Amazon Associates member, you will be able to begin earning money by promoting the company's products to your target audience. Businesses that participate in affiliate program include a wide range of various enterprises. Additionally, you can look at these. Also, by promoting your blog or YouTube channel through affiliate marketing, it becomes significantly easier to generate sales through your referrals. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.